All right.
All right. This next month, I'm going to do a 30-day challenge, which is exercising for an hour a day. I'm going to try to at least get 3 of them in gym. So my schedule's a little weird since I work like 16-hour days, 14 to 16-hour days. It's kind of hard to schedule these things properly, but at the very least, even if I have to split it between morning and night, half hour and a half hour. And I want to do mostly the weight training 3 days here, and then I'll do some cardio and I don't know, maybe some Tai Chi or yoga as well. And I have right now I'm about 228 at home schedule. Here is like 330, I think, on your machine. So that'll be the starting point. We'll just round it up to 230. And I have actually gone to the doctors a couple months ago, and all of my readings were actually pretty good because I was doing a carnivore elimination diet, trying to see what I'm sensitive to. And the only thing that was up was the cholesterol, which was understandable doing a carnivore diet. But my triglyceride has gone down like 15 points, and my good cholesterol went up. So she says, as long as that's in the good range and the other ones aren't out of whack, usually pretty good. And right now I'm doing I guess you'd call it a seasonal vor, which is kind of a low carb ketovore / carnivore keto style diet, but I allow myself to eat anything that I grow. So it might have a little bit more carb than normal, be it fruit, because I have fruit trees and stuff like that, or like farmer market, locally grown that's actually, been in the ground like within the last day or so. That stuff I'll allow myself to eat. And so I'm gonna try to keep that as close as I can. This last couple weeks has been kind of up and down with my stress related eating and stuff and binge eating. So I'm hoping this will get me back on the right track again and get me into the size 18 is one of my goals to get by the end of the year. And it is going to be August, so that's a doable goals, going down just one size. And I haven't seen an 18 since I've been 18, since I've been a teenager. So that is the goal right now. I'm in a 20. I went from a 26 to a 20. This last year, I've lost 60 pounds, 60 plus pounds, and trying to figure out all the whys and stuff. So this is my trainer.
Tara.
I was gonna say Tina.
That's not it.
Tara, she works at Vasa over at my gym.
Yeah.
And so she's gonna be my make sure I don't do stupid shit and hurt myself.
Yep.
Yeah.
That's the plan.
She's also got an Instagram. I'll link it in the bio, so you can go and shoot her up and ask her some questions and stuff.
I love me some questions.
All right, let's get her started.
Okay, so we normally have personal training on Thursdays.
Mm-hmm. For an hour.
So what days do you want your rest days to be?
Probably Tuesday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. I'll be still do my rest days. Probably Sunday, and probably either one of these Tuesdays or Wednesdays. And those I'll probably just do like Tai Chi or so I'm still movement, but it'll be more low intensity. Okay. More like just for resetting the brain type of stuff, yoga or Tai Chi.
AR for active rest.
Okay.
That way you're still moving, but it's nothing.
Working outside in the garden, that type of stuff. Actually, working in the garden is kind of intense. I apologize. I'm going to try to fix the sound. Hopefully you don't hear nothing but clank, clank, clank here.
We'll see. Okay, so Monday, Friday, Saturday.
Yeah.
Do you want those to be your gym days?
Yeah, Mondays and Saturdays will probably be gym days. Fridays, by the end of the week, I'm usually so freaking exhausted and fried because my sleep schedule starts out good and then it gets a little worse and a little worse and a little worse. And by the time Friday comes around, I'm like on 6 hours of sleep or 5 hours of sleep, if I'm lucky. So Saturdays is usually pretty good. I can sleep in and just come in at 11. Dad has his things are at 11. Is it 11? 10:30? Yeah, 11?
11.
Yeah. So I can come in at 11 and do the hour. Yeah. I'll just keep Dad here or walk home. It's a good thing about this gym. I can actually walk here.
Yeah. What do you want to do Friday?
Some sort of cardio. I'll probably do that like you two. There's some good low impact but high cardio type of stuff. So if you have any recommends out there, shoot me a good online low impact, high intensity type of workouts, type of stuff that's good for not the best of shape type of people.
Easy on your joints.
Yeah, send them out to me. Okay, so Wednesday. Probably another type of cardio or even just a walking for an hour.
Okay. That'd be good. Get you outside.
Yeah, maybe take the rabbit for a walk.
Do you put him on a leash?
No, I wouldn't go. I have put her on a leash once or twice, and it was fine. She just looks really uncomfortable.
That's funny.
She has a huge dewlap, so it's like when I put it on like a harness on her, it goes up here, so she's like
so cute.
She kind of hops around and stuff, but I have her in a stroller.
Yeah.
So yeah, there's lots of walking paths around here, so I can always go up by the river.
Yeah, it's true.
And what do you recommend when we first start doing like the weights and stuff? The first week should do a little lighter or the normal
yeah.
Since we're doing 3 days.
Since you're starting with 3 days, I do lighter for this next week. So this is 30. So 31 days in July.
I checked my phone, but my phone's busy. I think so.
Pretend like there are.
I'm just doing the 30 day. I'll probably end up doing a 31 day if there's 31s, or at least have the last day as a recap.
Yeah. So this next week, the end of July going into August, do like lighter weights this week.
Or like do like half hour of weights and then some more cardio, or have the weights themselves like 5 pounds lighter than I normally do on my full days.
Just get the form down.
Okay.
For sure. Get the form down, get the core engagement, and then
just kind of do it slower and more focused.
Yeah. Focus on mind to muscle connection, not just doing willy-nilly, like focus on feeling the muscle as you do it.
Okay.
And then after that, we can increase weight or time or both. And then.
Now, is there like a like for like the first week a set, like should I do mostly like arms and legs, or should I do like?
I would split it.
Split it?
I would do like Monday legs, Thursday we'll do together, which will be full body.
Okay.
And then do Saturday upper body.
Okay.
So that way you're not doing 3 full body workouts and like murdering yourself. You want to do legs, give yourself a break for a couple days. We'll do full body ourselves. And then have a break and then do upper.
Okay.
It'll kind of give you better rest in between. The recovery will be better for sure.
Okay.
Yeah. That's about it. So.
Then how much after the first week should I be raising the weights on it? Just as Phil the first week after it, and then gain it by 5 pounds after that, or should I start like heavier and then go lower, or lower going heavier?
Start lower and go heavier.
Okay.
So once you get into this and you're feeling good, you want to have every set that you do. So you do a set of 10 bicep curls. On your last, like 7 should be okay. 8 through 10, 8, 9, and 10 should be like pretty rough.
Okay.
So you want to make sure that your last 2 to 3 reps are pretty challenging.
Okay.
So if you get to
either
10
like
and you're like,
pulses or something like that, or just like crank it up a little bit until you can still do the full rep, but it's slow rep.
Yeah. You want to be not just like you want to be wanting a break after.
Okay.
Because that's what's going to help us grow muscle and boost our metabolism and stuff.
All right. And then with my lower back and my knee and shoulder issues, I don't want to have a point where I'm off for another month.
Yeah. So be careful. That's where core engagement comes in.
Okay.
Core exercises for sure.
And are there any types of like for the cardio or balance or yoga type of stuff that I should like focus on to help building up the muscles? Like, cause I have like the lower back issues in my knee that I should like focus on to get in there and start building some of the muscles to help some of the sporting those areas, and like how intense should I get into them, or should I just stay at more low and just constant, or should I go like low and then build up, or?
I would do low and constant. A bike would be really good for your knees.
Okay. I have a bike at home.
Muscles going. You should use that. Perfect.
It's in the hallway. It's been in the hallway for the last 5 years.
Well, you can use it now. And then no like running or jumping or anything like that can throw your knees out. And then yeah, bike for sure. Anything just like lower impact.
Okay.
Nothing too
Yeah, there's
crazy.
lots of videos out there. There's a couple of them. Body Project has some really good low impact, but yet high intensity type of things that aren't gonna blow out your knees, but yet make you sweat.
Yeah.
And make you find excuses to stop and like, hey, the floor needs to be cleaned. Hey, I need to go and get cat's food. Hey, I've literally done that on video sometimes. Finding excuses to pause it.
Yeah.
Is there anything else you can think of that I need to kind of focus on, or starting slow, or any type of exercises I should probably go towards more often on like the home days and stuff?
Honestly, probably like getting your cardio and getting your walks in,
Uh-huh.
especially because you drive trucks all the time and you're sitting all
Yeah.
the time. We want to get you moving, get your inflammation down, get your lymphatic system going a little bit.
Yeah, my inflammation's been, especially with all the binge eating and some that I've been having problems this last month. I'm starting to feel it in my legs again.
Yeah.
It's starting to get the low pain and stuff like that.
Flush that out.
Yeah, almost feels like you have a cold coming on because you can feel your legs feel like they're starting to swell a little bit. Your back's starting to ache a little bit. Yeah.
So getting your walking in, getting your cardio would probably be what I would focus on for sure, because that's going to be the harder part too, because you're not in the gym. You just have to do it.
Yeah.
Like no one's there to keep you accountable, and I can obviously remind you and stuff, but
you will keep me
when
accountable.
you're sitting on your couch and you're like, oh, I gotta go walk.
Yeah, I know.
Like you just gotta get up and you gotta do it. Whether you like it or not, it's like brushing your teeth.
I'll have to go get me a long extension cord and plug in that bike and see if it works, and just get my coffee made and put in coffee and water next to it and just watch some YouTube and go. And then my cats and rabbits will like, what are you doing in the hallway?
Working out.
I do have a bike, but its tires are messed. I'd have to go and fix it. Maybe by the end of the month, I'll save me a little money, and I think I need a new inner tube. I know there's a how to fix your bike on it. There's somewhere on the internet. I can go and get that fixed. And it's a nice bike. I love riding bikes, but it's slightly too tall for my frame. Yeah. But it'll work.
Nice.
Alrighty then.
Yeah.
Cool. So come and join me and see if I am able to stick to this whole thing. I will.
You will.
I will. She will kick my ass. She knows where I live.
I do. I know exactly where she lives.
All my Starbucks people know where I live too. So let us hope. Is this still green? Okay, yours is still green. Okay, cool. We're still. Yeah, it's nothing like trying to do all this stuff and then
it doesn't.
Yeah, I've had to do that many a times.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Yeah, and check her out on her Instagram. She's got lots of cool little exercises and stuff on there.
Some nutrition stuff.
Nutrition recipes. So I will. Do you know your Instagram name?
Yeah. It's Heytaya, HEYTAYA.
So yeah, I'll link that in the thing and put it in there and on the thing. So go and check her out and give her a like and subscribe and say, we're subscribers of Holly. Yep, you're paying for whoever. Yeah. Thank you again.
Of course.
And I'll see you. I don't know, how much time do I have left?
Like 7 minutes.
7 minutes. I'll go warm up and then I'll go do something while Dad's doing something. I'll get, what is today, Saturday?
Today's Saturday.
I'll go work on my uppers for a half hour.
Good plan.
I'll get it started.
Yeah.
Let's get it started. This is my gym. It's like a block and a half from my house. So, and they are not sponsoring me. So, but yeah, this is Vasa Fitness. Gonna do a elliptical for a couple minutes just to warm up, and I'll do some weights. I forgot how much the sled sucks. Actually, it's big. On the funner ones, but you need a little cardio and legs. You got a gym, do the sled. This is about 125 pounds. I just have 145 pounds. The sled itself is like 80. Just up back, or you can pull it. Let's get this stuff started. And then do this one at 130. And it's one of those extension ones. Let's do a couple of calf extensions. Simple enough. I don't think I can do 175, but my legs are pretty strong. So let's see. It's 130. I should do it. Let's get this done. Doing seated leg curls. I did 10 the first one, 65, and then I did 15 the last two. But I wasn't recording the first two. But I did get the last one over on the super high hyperdrive or whatever it's called. And do a couple more leg ones today.
Thank you for joining me. I hope to see you on this next month as I get all my 30-day challenge. I will see you next time. Love y'all. Bye-bye.